It's a beautiful day, another day, and today is Tuesday, August 29, 2023, and I am here in a town in Abeokuta to come and check a fish farm. There has been some construction error in direction and everything, but I'm here to make that correction and to finish up the work that has been started. I'm standing on a 3-acre land where we have fish ponds, a space for pig and sheep, and we also have a secluded area that is going to be used for goat farming. I'm going to be showing you the process, not entirely the process, but the process of correcting ponds that have already been started, and also when we finish up, the work that is going to be done is correcting the ponds, plastering, flooring, and the plumbing work, amidst other things that is going to be done on this farm. We have 20 ponds of different sizes that we're going to be using. On the upper part of the farm, we have a space already that will be used for sheep and goats. Also, we've marked a place that will be used for pig. Let's get started as we make correction and complete this farm. Let's go.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know.
This is past 1 p.m. There are a lot of errors on the farm that we're going to correct. They've done a lot of things before I was contacted. First error that they did was directional error, direction of the ponds. That's one error that most people don't take notes. That's why it's always okay to involve a professional when you want to start your projects, because the consultants and the professional will tell you what you should do. I'm here to fix the error, and you're going to see when we start.
Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk.
Yesterday, Tuesday, we started with pinpointing where we need to make corrections, from the brickworks down to how the plumbing is going to go, and we actually dropped materials on the site to kickstart things. Today, Wednesday, August 30th, 2023, work has already started fully. We have over 20 workers on site mounting different aspects of the farm. There is an ongoing construction also in the farmhouse, but what we are mainly concerned about is the pond, and we make sure that things are going according to plan. The plumbers have started their work, the welder is here. Also, we have the bricklayers working on how to make this go according to plan, and I'm going to be showing you the process, like I've mentioned, that this work is completed. So let me show you how this thing is going and how we make this farm in a town in Abeokuta. Let's go and keep on watching.